Liquid Web Review. What is Liquid Web? Liquid Web, a privately held managed web hosting company founded by Jim Geiger in 1997. Businesses require robust web hosting services to maintain their online presences, and Liquid Web is one that many large brands trust. Liquid Review is high in cost as compared to others, as the company has a range of cloud, dedicated, reseller, and virtual private server (VPS) packages with enough flexibility and muscle to power the likes of Eddie Bauer or even Porsche. Unlike most other managed-to-host providers, who are designed with small businesses in mind, Liquid Web is designed for big companies, which means they're fairly expensive to work with when you factor in the large ticket items it provides. Why choose Liquid Web? There are basically two reasons for this is as follows. First, new age technology. Second, technology experts. Perfect fit hosting for your next project. Choose Liquid Web. There are total 4 types of hosting. First, VPS web hosting. Liquid Web is the best VPS hosting service if you want to access high-end power and robust system resources. The company offers both entry-level and high-end plans. Second, dedicated web hosting. If you're looking to build your website on the strongest possible foundation, Liquid Web's dedicated server offerings is a perfect place to start. With Liquid Web's servers, when it comes to hosting and building websites, you get all of the time-tested benefits that come with a single server, without any compromise in performance. Pricing plans for dedicated hosting are as follows. Third, WordPress web hosting. Liquid Web offers 7 tiers of managed WordPress hosting. Liquid Web also pre-installed WordPress on your server, so you don't have to install the CMS yourself. In the back end of WordPress, you can find a variety of themes to apply to your site. You can also use anything that is purchased outside WordPress if you want. 4. CLOUND web hosting. Liquid Web offers a range of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, virtual private server, dedicated, and WordPress. They also offer cloud hosting in multiple tiers with CentOS 7 Linux or Windows operating systems. Security features. First, firewall. Second, SSL encryption. Third, malware scanning and removal. 4, VPNs.